Today I'm going to be reviewing GPTCamp's walking cane, foldable walking cane. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This is what it looks like. It's actually really light and convenient. So very easy to use, nice strap. As you can see right there, it has a nice little Velcro piece right here to keep it together. And look, it even stays on there. Then it just easily goes in there. Now you can adjust the height easily by this button. You can go all the way down. You can go up to 6'1". It's got a very comfortable handle. Like I said, this is super light. So if you need to get one for your parents, if you need it for you, and it's kind of a cool color also. On the bottom, it's got the rubber grip, and this piece here is flexible. So when it's on the ground, it will flex and allow you to make a good grip with the ground. This does really well on Amazon. It gets 4.7 stars. It's an Amazon choice. It has over 1,000 reviews, and last month, 800 of these were sold. So people are buying them. They're liking it. If you're looking for a foldable walking stick or even just a regular walking stick, check out GPTCamps because I think you're going to like it. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.